How can I control the thread on my spools? Welcome to Epida Studio. My name is Elizabeth and I help you make beautiful things with quilting, pojagi, and embroidery. So often with your spools of thread, it'll start to come unraveled. If you have a bunch of them, it might get all knotted up. I store mine in little boxes like this, and sometimes all the ends just kind of get tangled up and mixed up. So a quick and easy way that I found to help keep these under control was actually found at the pet store. And it was from getting a length of clear tubing that is used in aquariums. And once you have that clear tubing, it can easily be cut with scissors. So you can cut it into little rings like this. And then with scissors, you can break it apart so the ring turns into a little thing that looks kind of like this. See, this is just a piece of that tubing, and you cut it the right size you need for the spools that you have, and then it can easily just go in there over top of your thread. And it keeps the ends from unraveling off the spool. It keeps it neat and tidy, and it will easily just stay there until you need it, and then you can take it off, you can put it back on. You can use these for years and years, and it will keep everything nice in your little tray. So a little piece of tubing will last for a long time. One piece might even be enough for everybody in your guild. So that's an easy and inexpensive hack that could make a big difference. For more quilting tips and tutorials, be sure to check out my website, epidastudio.com.